The Elf Bar MixArt 40K is Canada's first flavor-adjustable disposable, and it brings a genuinely different concept to the table. At the time of recording, it's priced at $31.99, working out to $1.59 per milliliter. The big feature here is the dual e-liquid system. You're getting two separate 10 milliliter chambers totaling 20 milliliters of e-liquid. And you can blend the two flavors together or vape them individually. It's a different experience compared to a standard disposable. The one I have here is Blue Razz Ice, a tangy blue raspberry with a cool, icy finish. It's refreshing without being overpowering, and the balance between the fruit and menthol is solid. You get two power modes built into the device. Normal mode runs at 18 watts for a smoother, more relaxed draw, while burst mode bumps up to 26 watts for a stronger flavor and a denser vapor. Up front is an interactive screen that shows real-time e-liquid levels for both chambers, battery life, and your current flavor setup. No guessing when it's time to recharge or when a chamber is running low. Capacity is up to 40,000 puffs from the 20 milliliter total, powered by an 800 mAh rechargeable battery with a USB-C charging port for quick top-ups. Worth noting, because of the dual chamber design, each individual flavor is 10 milliliters, so if you lean heavily on one side, you'll go through it faster than the other one. If you're looking for something different from the usual disposable experience, the MixArt 40K is definitely worth checking out.